Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the somatosensory pathway. So here in somatosensory pathways, there is a dorsal column medial lemniscal system. Lemniscal system. So what does this include? This includes the fine touch. Then comes the tactile localization. There is a 2-point discrimination, the proprioception, the pressure sensations. And these are related to the fine degree of judgment of pressure intensity. So all these are concerned with the dorsal column medial lemniscal system. Then we move on to the AL, that is the anterolateral system. So here in anterolateral system, this includes the pain. There is the thermal sensations, the pain, the thermal sensations, the crude touch and the pressure sensation, the itch, the tickle sensation, as well as the sexual sensations. All this is the anterolateral system. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.